Welcome home, Bulldogs. My name is Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to submit an online payment. The first step is to pull up the wingate.edu homepage. Next, hover over the MyGate icon and select Current Students. Scroll down to the bottom and select Pay Your Bill. Once you log in with your Wingate University username and password, you will be on the Finances landing page. You can view your billing statement by selecting Statement under the Finances tab. When you are viewing your statement, scroll down to the bottom to see what your current balance is and the due date for your payment. As you can see, Victor has a $0 balance, but there may have been some changes to his account, so let's go check. To make a payment, select Make a Payment on the left side of the screen. You will then arrive at the Woo e-payment landing page. Here you can see your account balance, view your recent online payment history, and see your parent PINs. Under the Your Account tab, you have the option to pay off your balance. You can see Victor is still showing a $0 balance, but if you have outstanding charges, you can pay them by clicking here. You can also view your online payment history by clicking View All. Parent PINs are a way for parents to be granted access to make payments for your account. Parents who are granted access will be able to view your payment history and balance due, but they will not be able to see your grades, financial aid, or other online student information. You can sign your parents up for a PIN code by clicking Add New. On the top right corner, you will find the Scheduled Payments tab. Here you can schedule a one-time payment or schedule recurring automatic payments. If you only have one payment method, select Schedule Recurring Automatic Payment Plan 1. If you have two payment methods, such as two people making payments on your behalf, select Schedule Recurring Automatic Payments Plan 2. If you would like to enroll in a payment plan, return to the wingate.edu homepage, hover over the Admissions and Aid tab, and then select Financial Aid. Once you arrive at the Financial Aid landing page, select Forms and Policies. Scroll down to the Student Accounts tab, and select Monthly Payment Planner Enrollment Form. Let's head back to the Woo e-payment landing page. At the Saved Payment Accounts tab, you can view your saved payment methods. Lastly, at Account Details, you can sign up for text with account alerts. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and go Bulldogs!